Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime with me, Crystal. Veteran reggae singer Ernie Smith celebrates 50 years in the recording industry. With a career spanning 2 generations of Jamaicans, he marks this golden anniversary with a concert in his honor. Plans for the event were disclosed last evening at the Jamaica Pegasus. E-Prime takes you inside the event.
50 years of enjoying what I do. It can't feel anything but great. You know, it really feels good. You know, and the fact that so many people appreciated the music over all these years, it can't feel anything but good. It just fills my heart.
I pride myself as being a musician. I grew up playing the piano, listening to real reggae music. And Ernie Smith is the embodiment of reggae artistry. He's a champion, he's a legend. He has produced timeless hits that my great-grandchildren will know about. Because it is not about music that is only for today, but he has created the kinds of musical compositions that will live beyond our years. So we have to really salute him. 50 years in the business, 50 years being one of the pillars of the demonstration of reggae excellence globally. 50 years of hits, and he continues.
If I can use a line from Chronics, do it for the love, not for the likes. Clearly, as a man, it's a genuine artist. You have some people who are pretenders. They must try write a tune. They must try get a hit. The man has dedicated his life to an art. He speaks for us.
Ernie Smith is known for his hits like Duppy Gunman, All for Jesus and Pitta Patta. Dancehall artist Idonia now focuses his attention on the European market. The artist recently departed the island following a well-received Reggae Sumfest performance. Now all systems are go for a European tour. He has already performed at the Reggae Guild in Belgium and will be seen next in Valencia, Spain for the Rotterdam Sunsplash and the Keep It Real Festival in Germany. The artist is also scheduled for performances in Sweden, France, Italy and Austria. As the summer tour schedules take shape, Richie Spice has started his European tour at the Kwaki Festival to a full-capacity crowd. The tour, dubbed Healing, is named after his recently released 15-track mixtape. Richie Spice will perform next in Winchester, United Kingdom at the Boomtown Festival on August 13, and then it's off to Slovenia and Switzerland on August 25 and 26. The tour concludes in Berlin, Germany on September 17. On the international scene, praises for dancehall. This comes from Drake's main producer and business partner, Noah Shabib, who praised Jamaica's dancehall culture and thanks the island for its musical influence, which has contributed to his work over the years. Shabib gave the shout out on his Instagram page as part of an independence greeting to the nation. And that's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you so much for watching.